So some of you are having issues with VirtualBox, mostly because your system doesn't support virtualization, or you have your system is probably too old to run a virtual machine. And in case you need an alternative where you can go and use Linux, then AWS is an option, Amazon Web Services. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go and create an account on AWS. Just type AWS sign up in Google, and if you should reach their sign up page. Just create an account for yourself. You may need a credit card for it. They won't charge you anything. They'll give you 12 months of uh, free tier access. In free tier access, you get a lot of resources for free. Um, but you will probably still need a credit card. I'm not exactly sure, but from what I understand, this is the policy of AWS. But once you have created the account and you have logged in, just go to this particular location, console.aws.amazon.com. I'll just open it probably again. Okay. Here, when you are here, this is your AWS management console. There will be an option to change your region. Just change your region to Mumbai. Okay. Now you go to this EC2. Okay. Here there are some things that you can see. Instances running are 0. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start one virtual machine here. So I'll just click on instances. Currently there are no instances. There is an option to launch an instance. So I'm just going to click on launch instance. Now here you will see there are some options that it is giving you. Okay. What you have to do is it gives you an option to create, let us say, Ubuntu image, Ubuntu server 20.04, SUSE Linux, Red Hat Linux. I'm just going to choose this Ubuntu server. There is an option here. I'll just use Ubuntu server x86. Now this is the free tier eligible part. Okay, so this is what you are supposed to take. It is already selected here. So just take t2.micro, do review and launch. All those things are here. Just go to the storage part once, and this is saying 8 GBs. Uh, you can go and click edit storage. I think you're allowed to. Uh, I think you can allowed to go up to, I guess, 16 GB or something. Okay, and 30 GB. So I'm just making it 16 GB, a little more. Then I'll just say review and launch. And this is what it does. So then it will say, do you have a key pair? Okay, this is what you have to do. I'll just say create a new key pair. I'll call it Mumbai AWS key pair, and I say download key pair. Just store it somewhere. Okay, and then do launch instance. Just click here. So now there will be a status here. It is currently pending. It will take some time for this to come up. It is now running. Click here, and this is a public IP DNS. Okay, this is something that it is saying. So basically what you have to do is something like this. Just copy it from here, open. Okay, if you do not have Mac, I'll just tell you what to use. But I have Mac, so what I'll simply do is something like this. I'll do SSH because it is Ubuntu. Ubuntu's default username and password are Ubuntu and Ubuntu. So I'm saying Ubuntu at the rate whatever I just copied from there. This, it will ask you something. Just say yes. Okay, so I need to provide that. Sometimes you can actually use the username password directly. It looks like it is not allowing me, so I saved it here, I guess. The key pair, Mumbai AWS key pair, right? Uh, yeah, so this is what it is. I'll do SSH minus I Mumbai, and then I'll do this. Okay, yeah, I'll have to do this. Ubuntu at the rate. Okay, just a minute. Sorry, it's I have not logged into any system using the key for a long time. Mm, yeah, this is the one. Ah, sorry, this is the issue. Just make it 700. Okay, sorry, I messed up everything. It took me some time to recollect all the commands, but basically the command that you have to do is this. So whatever key pair that you just downloaded, it is here. uh, on Linux you have to change its permissions actually. This I have not covered in the class, but basically every file has some set of permissions, and it basically defines who can access this file and not. For now, just use this command, make it chmod and 700 and the name of your file, right? So this is my file, and just do this. After that, just do ssh minus I and just provide this file there, and then put ubuntu at the rate and then whatever I just copied from here. So this is my machine's public DNS. This will be there on your AWS page. Just copy it here, paste it here, and this is your Ubuntu machine. So this machine is running on AWS and you can access it from your machine. I can do all those stuff. So this is my home directory. I can do whatever I want, and once I'm done with it, I'll just uh, exit from here, and once I'm done from it, one thing that I'll have to do is I'll have to stop this instance. Okay, please make sure that after you are done you stop your instance. Otherwise the number of hours that they give you in the free tier, that might get exhausted. So whenever you use your virtual machine, at the end of it, just go here and make sure that you have stopped it. So if I go to instances here, it is saying stopped. Okay, if I want to relaunch it, uh, this is where it says start instance. So this is basically the same as starting my machine all over again. So now, coming back to the point, like Let us say I had this terminal with the help of which I can type this command, but on Windows it won't probably work. I'm not sure whether Windows command prompt has SSH or not, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't there for for a long time. Maybe it is there now. So there is a tool that you can use. It's called Putty. Okay, use Putty. Go and download this tool called Putty. Then this one, right? This is for Windows. Download this tool. What you can do is you can actually provide the name of the host. The name of the host is basically this thing, uh, this whole thing. Okay, this is your name of the host, and you can also see putty with the PEM file. This is what you need, connecting to your Linux instance from Windows using putty. So just yeah, this is basically at AWS itself. So just look at this particular example. So if you do not have Mac and you want to use a Linux VM, this is one way to do that. You can use putty. Okay, thank you guys.